Sanibonani molweni kwindawo zonke nje enibukeleni kuzo. Ebuhlanti ke njengoba senitshilo ndathi ke sike savisita phaya eParliament kwindlu ke yowisomthetho. Bekudibene ke amadoda oMzantsi Afrika bephuma nje kwindawo zonke zelilizwe behlangene ke phaya no minister endibala ntoni abekho no deputy minister nabantu ke abajongene neParliament. Kodwa eyona nto ibingamandla ibikuthi kuzoxoxwa ngezinto ezi-affect amadoda, including accountability emadodeni. Njengoko siyazi ukuthi ilizwe lethu likwenye imfazwe ethule nje yokubulawa komama nabantwana kwilizwe lethu. Ngoku ke sifuna ke sincokole no Minister of Social Development. Thina abantu abadala kasibabizi ngamagama. uMinister Zulu. Minister, yes, Minister, njengoba uhleli namadoda for 2 days. Bexoxa ubamamele. Ingaba wena uyalibona ukuthi ithemba kule ndizanywayo okanye ngomnye nje umdlalo?
Cha, akuwona umdlalo. Prof, ngibulele nje ixesha loba nami ngikwazi ukuthetha nawe ngoba benginawe phakathi. Akuwona umdlalo. Ngokubona kwami ukuthi nje amadoda ukuze akwazi kwawona ngokwawo azisukumele wona ngokwawo eme ngeenyawo athi cha ayizukwenzeka lento ngegama lethu. Ngibona ukuthi awona umdlalo. Nokulalela ke ixesha bebekhuluma or bethetha bebethetha ukuthi intoni okufuneka bayenze. That's why mina ngicimba akuwona umdlalo. Because if bekuwumdlalo bekuba into nje yokuthetha nje. Kodwa ke bebethetha ukuthi into abayi-experience abayibonayo on the ground. Bethetha ukuthi kuyafuneka bona ba amadoda babe united kule fight. Ba amadoda kufuneka babe nama-program. Ama-program ayoze angene emakhaya. Ama-program okuyothethwa ngawo ngisho nakuma-communities. Ama-program okufuneka kuthethwe ngawo ngisho nasecaweni ngoba esikhathini esiningi abantu abaningi bahamba icawe. Icawe yiyo indawo la kufuna ngabe khona abefundisi bakwazi ukuthi bakhulumisane namadoda ahamba icawe ukuze bakwazi ukuthi lama-program azoba khona. Engijabulela kakhulu ukuthi bakhuluma ngokubambisana between uhulumende, between ama-NPO nama-NGO nemiphakathi nje in general.
Minister, kunento esihluphayo thina ama-producers ale show anento ingabe siyilalela ukuthi kuthwane la. Izolo kube lamadoda athi nathi siyashaya. Aphinda avela namhlanje hayi nathi phela siya-abuse. Kodwa bakhona abantu abazama uku-correct, especially bebengama-speakers. Noba kuyenzeka lokho but awukwazi ukucompare nokuviolate kwabomama nabantwana. Uyibona njani? Ayizucreate i-competition?
Cha, akufanelanga ukuthi kube ne-competition. Into yenza ukuthi ngithi akungabi ne-competition ukuthi nje i-violence ake sithethe ngayo nje ukuhlukunyezwa nje. Akuyona into esithi bakhona okufuneka bahlukunyezwe. Makungahlukunyezwa umuntu, whether umuntu wesifazane or umuntu wesilisa, whether umama or utata, or whether umkhulu or ugogo or umfana, makungahlukunyezwa umuntu. Asiqale lapho nje. Siphinde sithi ke futhi si-Department ye-Social Development, i-South Africa jikelele isenayo lento yokuba ukuresolve ama-problem kube khona that emotional thing mover towards violence. Otherwise ibingasoze ibe yinto ba abantu babexabana nje lokushini into yokuqala bacinga bafana bayenze kufuneka bashayana. Kuyafuneka ukuthi ke sibheke yona lento ye-violence ngoba phela sine history ye-violence. Sometimes isinokukhohlwa ukuthi siphume nje kule past 30 years lapho abantu bebeshayana khona impela. Bebethana nje sometimes kuze kulilizelwe ukuthi abantu baphethe intonga bayashayana. Khona ke lento yintonga abantu bayashayana because basekwaluseni or bakuphi le nto umdlalo nje ezikhathi. But kuyi problem le nto le uma isisuka isiba yimpilo yabantu. Then ke bese ngiza lo mbuzo owubuzayo wokuthi kukhona amadoda akhala ngokuthi ayashaywa nami ngisho njalo ukuthi akufuneka kwenziwe i-comparison. Futhi ke sikhumbule ukuthi nje i-statistics masingaya kuso nje ke siyobheka ukuthi obani ababulewe ikakhulukazi sincwaba bani, sincwaba omama, sincwaba abantwana i-country yonke, across the country, but of course kunayindawo asisibiza ngama hotspots la into khona yenzeka khona isikhathi esiningi. Kodwa ke nabo labo obaba abathi bayahlukunyezwa kune violence against them, nabo kuyafuneka ukuthi bathathe unyawo, either uthethwe ekhaya or ahambe utata ayoreporta nje, hayi phela I'm abused, I'm being beaten, because now you right ngiyazi ukuthi bazothi hayi mawufika emapoliseni bayahleka uthiwani, but the bottom line for thina ukuthi masingayicompare lento ngalondlela, because ama-numbers namanani ngisho ke amanani wabantu esesibangcwabile sibangcwaba because babulewe either i-partner or ma.
Niyazi ke Ebuhlanti, mhlambe mangenikhumbuze le program yalonjwa i-Department of Social Development ne-Dakwaneri Women's Movement. So siniphathele uminister owalonja lento, ake sihambe seyidolo siphinde sibuye. Stay tuned. Ake sibuyile ke eyidolo kusemnandi ke Ebuhlanti, sasishilo sathi sizabaletha uminister sikhulule abantu baseSoweto sanizamela la. Simzisile uminister njengoba besishilo sathi siyafuna ke mhlambe masinethuba nawo ukukhuluma namadoda ase-South Africa ngoba bakufuna ukuthi kube nomuntu okhuluma nawo. Sikubonile uhamba nesilo lapha KwaZulu-Natal nikhuluma nabantu indawo zonke nje nilonja ama-programs, but ngicela manje ke sikhulume namadoda aselokishini baphelelwa ithemba. Ziningi izinto bahlangahlangene, ziningi izinto ezikhulunywa kubona bebengekho bona kule men's parliament, but bafuna ukwazi ukuthi yini enobanika ithemba. Bengicela ukukhuluma nabo nje.
Okokuqala nje asisuke la sizwe omama abaningana babethi siyanithanda. Asiqale lapho ukuthi siyabathanda ngoba phela uNkulunkulu wadala umuntu wesilisa, wadala umuntu wesifazane, wathi mabahlale bande. Azange akafaka into encane nje ukuthi mabaxabane, bashayane, benzeni, cha, akayifakanga leyo. Masisuke lapho sithi nathi siyafuna ukuthi sihlale kahle nabo I'm sure bayafuna ukuthi bahlale kahle nathi. Phinde ke futhi ngithi akubona bodwa ababhekene nenhlungu nenhlupheko zalomhlaba. I-economy mayingenzi kahle sonke siyayizwa, siyayifila siwomama, futhi siyifila kakhulu phela thina ngoba into ze-grocery nokunye kubhekwe yithe emakhaya. If economy ingahambi kahle akusho ukuthi ngoba abantu abathola umsebenzi bese bacabanga ukuthi kufuneka bakhiphele lobo buhlungu ekushayeni omama namantombazana nabantwana baze bababulala. Futhi ke siyazi ukuthi ke esikhathini esiningi khona nanto ukuthi i-pressure iba khona, i-frustration iba khona. Sifuna ukusho nakubo ukuthi nathi sina same frustrations njengabo. Kodwa ke asizothi sithi ngoba sine frustration ebese sicabanga ukuthi i-frustration yami ufuna ngikhiphe ngiyofuna induku yokushaya umuntu. Cha, ayifuneki yenzeke.
Manje minister njengoba bengilalele mina ingathi labadoda onke la bafuna ubathwala bathi umama wethu as from today.
Uyawabona amasholo abangakanani. Ewe mina angihambi ngedwa futhi by the way. Yimi i-department yonke iphelele, phinde kube isasa, kuphinde kube i-National Development Agency, kuphinde kube wonke ama-government departments akhona, phinde kube uhulumende e-national, e-provincial, e-local. So uhulumende yena unawo ama-program wakhe which I think bekuwo okhulume ngento yokuthi ake sizame ukuthi si-empower i-local structures. Kungabikho ukuthi ama-program wethu aphelela at-national ngoba abantu bahlalaphi abahlali e-national, bahlala at-local government. Ngiyavuma ke ukuthi vele masenze njalo, kodwa ke batshene at all times siyabathanda, sicela nabo basithande, sicela ukuthi siphilisane kahle, siphilisane ngokuthula noma ngaba ama-problem akhona asibambisaneni ukuze siwa resolve lawo ma problem.
Ikhona indawo zaya kuyo namadoda this time around ngoba sifuna ukulandela sambe nawe ngoba i-resolution isho kanjani ithi singabakho manje ngaba zikhona izinto ozazenza nathi sibe khona sikulekelele ubheka phambili.
Siya kuyi-16 days of activism no violence against women and children. 16 days sikhumbule ukuthi uMinister we-Women, Youth and People with Disability uthe yi-16 days nje ukuthi sithi sikhuphule ama-programs, otherwise yi-365 days okufuneka siyenze. So siyi-Department ye-Social Development singajabula kakhulu ukuthi nani nikwazi ukuhamba nathi la siya khona siyokhulumisana namadoda, but-ke futhi ukhumbule ukuthi sina across the board ama-programs not only thina national nama-province anama-programs wawo. So mawuse goli nje kuzofuneka ukuthi sithintane no-MEC uhlophe omusha from the box for social development basho ukuthi ama-program wabo ase-Gauteng ahamba kanjani. Angisho ukuthi asinawo thina ama-program, but ngenzela ukuthi laba abaphethe ema-provincini naku-local abantu basondele kakhulu kulawo ma-program because ama-program ahlala ekhona ngaso sonke isikhathi.
No, i-practical ngoba for instance i-Free State Social Development i-transport yamadoda ukuthi abe khona eParliament nase-Gauteng namadoda afike la transport ye-social development, so it's possible. Bantu base-Soweto, bantu bakalanga, bantu base-Gugulethu, bantu base Tuba uyayibona nje
basemkhanya.
Yes, so uminister ke esekhulume kahle nathi minister ama-producers athi nje 1 or 2 minutes nje i-message nje ngoba sesiya ku-16 days of activism.
Kubo bonke abantu abakhona emakhaya siyacela ke ukuthi njengoba sesisondela nakukhisimusi abantu bayobe bebhiyoza kumandi into esicelayo kini nonke ikakhulukazi amadoda wase-South Africa, yenzani konke kukhona emandleni wenu ukuthi nikhusele omama nabantwana, niqale ezindlini zenu before niyophumela ngaphandle, so that i-South Africa yonke omama nabantwana bajabule nabo njengoba nathi sonke sithanda ukujabula.
Ayike Ebuhlanti ke njengoba niyazi into kokuba besihlangene eParliament eCape Town amadoda ase-South Africa from all walks of life belapha ke eParliament since yesterday namhlanje ke kwahlangana ikhulumi ke eziqavile beziningi ke zikhuluma izinto ke ezipromising including o-minister of different departments lana ke ku-government. Manje ngiphethe usiya la into kaJentile ngifuna sikhulumisane nje ke si-evaluate le 2 days so i-2 ukuthi ihambe kanjani and nina as not in my name campaign nicabanga ukuthi mhlambi yini efuna angithi everything kuneziqhufu ezingaboshiwe kahle mhlambe nina nje since yesterday eziphi izinto eniziphicaphile as not in my name campaign. Ngicela ubingelele nje abantu lapha emakhaya.
Ngiyabingelela, ndiyabulisa. Ngiyabulisa abantu bonke ababukeleyo. So into endiziphicapileyo mna njengoba ndithunywe i-organization yethu not in my name international is that kahle this past 2 days was an answer to what we've been looking for in this country, and we are happy because there are people like you who are championing such an initiative, because into enzekayo is that usiya not in my name basebenzela kula kona yabo and then nobanibani niyakhi igenge koyakho ikona. So what I picked up mna is that the solution actually has been in this past 2 days, because we're able to link up namanye amaqabane who are doing similar work that we are doing. But not only that, we're also able to link up with political powers that be. The opportunities singabi nayo estratweni, because kukho red tapes ufake application ubuya Monday uzawufaka i-appointment and all that. So for me the past 2 days have been very educational and enlightening, but also they've been an opportunity to link up with other people who are in a similar space. I wouldn't say really there's faults or issues that need to be, I think every issue we ventilated in that space, and it's the correct platform. For me, everything went well, and I think we need more of such spaces.
Yeah. Nina, as not in my name, when you look at this project, really amadoda South Africa are using this space for accountability. Okanye bashintsha nje basende space so sama complaints ukuthi manje namadoda afune usasa afitwe istate
and a personal observation yami, the space, I think I would like to assume that it is created not only to report back but to take responsibility, and that is what we are calling for as an organization, that men must take collective responsibility. But instead, on the contrary, as a space sijikwe senziwa a complaining platform.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Which is well and good, but we need to create separate platforms for these things. We cannot be ngathi ngokusitibane apha sidibanele refiner excuses zethu, and that thing is not assisting us with
do you believe ukuthi le ndaba yokuthi kunamadoda nawo manje ashayayo kufuneka siyiphushe, because abantu ababukele emakhaya, I mean this show ibukelwa abantu more than 1 million. Masithi nami ngiyashaya ngiyindoda ingathi sounder manje ngathi sexy computer nabo mama, lithini uluvo lwakho around that?
I think some of these sentiments actually they are valid. However, we need to be able to differentiate and separate issues. But as amadoda as South Africa, we're addressing this particular issue.
Yeah.
Now, bangaba kukwenye platform you address a lay issue, so be it.
Yeah.
But we must not invalidate the pain okanye story zamadoda who are saying, but nathi we are being abused. However, we need to look at it komanya maxesha using numbers. In a sense, Minister uthethile uba what are the percentages of abuse towards men and towards women? Over 90%. It's women who are being killed.
Yeah.
It's women who
so
are
tell me, is it possible, mhlambe, organizations like, not in my name, international, mhlambe kube ne funding eniyitholayo somewhere, mhlambe nathi singan assist to get that funding. Ku conduct research.
Yes.
Ukuthi okay, kuthiwa namadoda ayabethwa ngabafazi, babethwa ngabantwana xa kunxiliwe, all those things. Mhlambe ku-establishwe into ezoba based on evidence. Because most of police station who collected this data, kuthiwa police station nayo bekunamadoda ayi-2 ebela last night, and I think I dropped the case, so we are not sure with that thing.
It's something that is in the public discourse, but we don't have exact figures. So, police stations and you wonder which police station exactly. And then narrated their story. So that study is very much needed, actually. And I think organizations such as ours, Nezinya's Koyo, who have got the capacity to conduct such studies, must be assisted, whether capacitated, whether with financial resources, to carry. Or you invite research institutions and say, conduct this study for us, and then let's give it to these organizations to translate it into workable documents. So, amadoda, just to close, banazo challenges about our reason for convening here is to institutionalize a responsive men's movement. This is not a space so bamasifike ke ngoku sizokhala uba thina abafazi thina silambile. So that's the reason why we need to have economic development forums for you to discuss unemployment among men and things like that. But those should not be translating now to validations of abusing and killing women.
Okay. And emakhaya, unfortunately, uchaba lexesha besinoncokola kakhulu noSiya, but sizamfumana ngenye imini because sibe ne 25 minutes or 30 sincokola nje naye nge-not in my name international. Bekumnandi ke ukuba lapha eParliament, nathi as Ebuhlanti si-enjoyile kakhulu le 2 days. Sibulela kuma producers ke enze show ukuthi le show iba lapha eParliament, sithathe nje yonke into eyenzeka apha kule ndawo. Sibulela kakhulu, masithi nje lapha emakhaya ncinzelili.